Hey, what is up YouTube? I'm Anish from AndroidRoots.com, and today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix this issue when you enter into recovery mode on your Nexus 6. A dead Android with chest open with a red triangle in the middle. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing we'll be doing is enter into recovery mode, although I assume you already know how to do that, or you enter into recovery mode before since you're running into that problem where it only happens in recovery mode. So go ahead and power off your device if it's not already powered off, or if you're not already into recovery mode. Give it a quick sec. Okay, now go ahead and press and hold the power button and the volume down button until you see a green start screen. So it's just like that. It'll look like this. Now go ahead and press the volume down twice until you see recovery mode and press the power button. And this is going to enter us into stock recovery. If you haven't rooted it or done anything to it, and you're gonna run into this issue, a dead Android with chest open. So it's a very quick fix. It's very dead simple. No computer required. And what we're going to be doing is go ahead and press the power button, a volume up button, and volume down button all at the same time, and press them consecutively 5 or 6 times in a row. So it's going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just like that. Mine usually only works within the first try, so I'll go and show you that. Press all 3. You're probably going to need 2 hands. So power, volume up, volume down. Press them all 3 at the exact same time. And there we go. So as you can see, it took me about 3 tries. So just press all 3, 5 or 6 times until you enter into this mode, which is Android System Recovery, also known as Stock Recovery mode for the Nexus 6. And that is how you enter into recovery mode, and that is how you fix the dead Android when you try to enter into stock recovery. And to get out of this and just to boot up normally, go ahead and make sure the first one is selected, reboot system now, and go ahead and press the power button, and then your phone will boot up normally, just like the day you first got it. So I'll give it a quick second to boot up, just to show you the Android boot up screen. And there you guys go. So that's the Android boot up screen. It's going to boot up normally. So if you guys did enjoy this really quick video on how to fix the dead Android once you do enter into stock recovery, go ahead and like that video down below. And if you want to go ahead and see a lot more Nexus 6 videos coming out very soon, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel down below, as well as I'm going to have so much more Android content, Nexus 6 content coming your way very soon. And don't forget to share this video on Twitter, Facebook, and Google Plus using the share button down below. Until next time, peace.